Hello everyone. In this video again I'm going to discuss about the descriptive answer writing for NABARD IT phase 2. As I already promised you all that I'm going to cover all the six descriptive questions for 2022 and 2021 in the video, like one by one. So every video you will get two questions with the sample answers, and you can get an idea how to approach this particular answer writing for descriptive IT. So yes, this is our agenda, and this is the basically the second video, which you can just take into consideration for your answer writing. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So the first question that you have for this particular video is write a note on normalization process in DBMS. This question came in year 2022 under 10 marker. Now, how to write this thing? Because the question is very vague. Write a note on normalization process in DBMS. So what your approach should be? So first you have to tell an introduction, as I already mentioned in every video, that you have to write an intro before jumping directly to the answer. You have to make like a scenario for the entire answer, that what you want to portray. So first you will explain about the normalization. Okay, after that you will just tell what kind of databases are there on which we can apply normalization. We cannot apply normalization on non-relational database. That's why I have underlined the relational database thing. So first you have to make the examiner understand that you are very clear about the entire idea of normalization by making sure with the short introduction and with the approach that where it is going to get applied. Then you will quote some like examples for Oracle, Microsoft, SQL, and these all things where it can always be applied. It will add more value whenever you add examples and practical solutions in your answer. So they are going to add value to your answer. Now, why we actually need it? So before doing normalization, there should be a need why it was brought up. So for that purpose, you should understand why actually a normalization of a database is needed, and that I have written in the pointed format. If you can see, I haven't mentioned them in a paragraph based thing, so that the examiner, once he sees my answer, I can make him understand what I am going to portray for this particular question, what I have to bring on the table. So this is the best thing. Whenever you want to focus on anything, you make it in a bullet points. Okay, or you can use numbers also. Now, what all kinds of normal forms are there, that you have to make them understand that you are aware of the normal forms. So first you explain what kind of normal forms are there. Basically 3 normal forms are in the incorporation and into the existence. So just give them an idea. Then explain about each one of them. First normal form, second normal form, third normal form, BCNF, fourth normal form, and fifth normal form. And then you can end up your answer with a short conclusion. So that will actually eat up all the 400 words that you have, and on top of that you are able to make them understand that you have the entire practical and theoretical knowledge on this particular topic. Now, the next question is based on the deadlock and its condition which are responsible in the operating system. So basically they are asking about the deadlock in operating system. First, again, the procedure, the introduction, where deadlock is what? Deadlock occur in every situation, but we are mostly here for the operating system, so we will change our vocabulary according to the question only. Now you will explain about the deadlock, then you will explain for the necessary conditions that are required to happen to be in a situation of deadlock. So basically there are 4 conditions that has to hold simultaneously in order to get to the deadlock. You just explain all the 4 conditions one by one. After that, how it can be prevented. Because if you just only explain how it happened, it is not going to give the entire knowledge to the examiner. You also have to tell them how it can be prevented. So for deadlock prevention, what you can be doing, you can again have 4 conditions. You can explain those 4 conditions. Now at the end, the deadlock avoidance, how deadlock can be avoided, and how the deadlock detection and avoidance work. So these 2 will be your next agenda. At the end, you can just write a conclusion, whatever you want to have as in summary, and then you can end up your answer. This question was for 15 markers. So yes, you can add more lines, but yes, this much sufficient thing is more than sufficient for you to get good marks in the NABARD IT paper. So now I think with these video series, you guys are getting a clear idea how you have to approach, what is the main thing that is being required from you We don't want any kind of paragraph based question. We want a good presentation which involves just writing the bullet points or the numbered points, and we want short and crisp thing on everything so that you can display the variety in a question. On top of that, you can display your knowledge. Okay, so that was all for this particular video with the two questions. If you like this video, do hit the like button. If you are still an unsubscribed user and watching this video, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you can get regular updates from our site. And if you want to prepare 50% faster with iXambi, you just go to www.iXambi.com and check our demo course. After that, if you still have any doubt and you want to reach to us, you can just write in the comment section, or you can reach us to the email that is flashed on the screen, or you can call us on the number that is flashed on the screen. So that was all from my side for this video. See you in the next video.